Hey, welcome back to Hobby Envoy. Cole here, and today we're going to be building one of the perennial friends from just about any Gundam universe. A Haro. The Haro is a relatively simple kit to build. It purports to be a touch-gated, which means you don't need tools to get the parts out of the sprues. However, in my experience, you're able to pop the parts out of the sprues without tools about as easily as you would be able to from any other Gunpla set. So for most of the build, I used my nippers to get the parts out of the sprues. Though periodically I tried to pop parts out with my fingers, just to no avail. Despite ostensibly being slowed down by not being able to use the alleged touchgate feature for the model, it was done relatively quickly, only taking 20 minutes to assemble before we were ready for the turntable. The completed model can be displayed either in its round ball form or with its appendages popped out. Interestingly, if you plan to display it in its compact ball form, the base very thoughtfully has storage provided on the undercarriage to place your arms and legs. And that's the Haro. Like I said, real quick, just a nice little change of pace. Little model, little video. It'd be neat to have more of these, because obviously the puzzle piece base is intended for them to be displayed chained together. However, while I was able to pick this one up for $8 when they were on sale from the P. Bondi website, the most readily available way to get a hold of a Haro is on eBay, where they are resold for well over the $8 price point, and I'm not sure that's worth it. And with that, we'll close out the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I liked making it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later. The Haro is supposed to be a relatively simple build to kit. Simple build to kit? God dang it.